Hey, what's going on? As Isa here. So, do you want to create faceless video channels? Do you have any ideas that you want to turn into videos and you don't know how to do that, right? So, if yes, you are at the right place, because with InVideo AI, you can create anything you want writing it. So let's dive into those InVideo AI video examples that I have generated over the past. So I will show you the most powerful example is this one. So basically you can use generative pictures to create AI videos.
I am Aminata, descendant of the great Soundjata Keita. Let me tell you the story of my ancestors, a tale of beauty, power, and destiny. In the land of Manding, there ruled a king named Kofi Konfata, renowned for his beauty and beloved by his...
So you see guys, so this is really nice. Let's quickly see the video. So yeah, let's try this one.
Tired of endless cold calls? Let's Made AI is your ultimate solution. No more cold calling. Let's Made AI revolutionizes.
Okay, that's nice. So this is example 2, and let's see example 3. Let's say you have a dropshipping business, right? So and then you want to sell a product. Let's say this one.
Looking to elevate your hairstyle with stunning color and volume? We've got you covered. Introducing our No Weft 10, a virgin bulk hair weaving for braiding, available in...
So basically with InVideo AI, you can bring to life anything really you want, right? So let's see this one.
Instead of football when I was younger. Let's break it down. If you don't understand the rules of American football, you're going to lose. No helmet, no play. Simple, right? But in the game of money, most people don't understand the rules. And guess what? There's no referee to stop you.
As you can see, they are very good quality. All of these are examples that really are very nice, very well done.
Person sitting at their desk, visibly frustrated, staring at their computer, extreme close-up of protagonist's expressive eyes, hands typing furiously on keyboard, spreadsheet filling with data rapidly. Let's be real.
This means you can create a YouTube channel, those type of videos, right? You can create TikTok channels, a lot of faceless, so you don't have to show your face if you don't want to. So there is one example that I like also. Let me share it with you.
Juggling 3 jobs just to get by? It's exhausting and frustrating, right? You barely have time for yourself, let alone your loved ones.
Okay, so quickly here, all you need if you want to create a new video is to create new. You have version 3 so far. It's the latest version. So and then here you can write anything you want, So basically let's say what, so create an animation. This is just for example, and then you click here, generate a video. So here you can create short, right? You can create explainer video, you can create animated film, you can also create your you can use your own script if you want to, but anyway, all you need to do is to generate video. And if you have the free version, the software will take time before generating the video. And also, if you have the free version as well, you can still download the video, but you will get the InVideo AI logo. Yeah, of course, if you have the pay version, so everything is going to be free. So basically you have some credits per month, and if you burn those credits, if you run out of credits, so you can still pay some credit to add. You can still add more credit before the end of the billing cycle. So each billing cycle, your credit will be reset. is set to 0. So even right now, you know, it's still taking its time just because my computer is slow. I have so many windows to. So what I will do basically, I will stop the video and come back when it's ready. Okay, now the video is ready, and we are going to watch a little bit.
That bees can visit thousands of flowers in a single day. Bees are small insects with big jobs. They are nature's little helpers, buzzing from flower to flower. Colonies, with different bees having specific roles. The queen bee is the leader of the hive. Make our world a more beautiful and fruitful place.
And this one, I didn't even use the generative AI. So if you know, the generative AI is more powerful, more amazing, you know. So, and whenever you want to download it, if you have the pay version, so there is no logo, it's clean. So if it says it's a free version you have, then you have the logo. So that's all, guys. So please like and subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet. And see you in the next video.